It's my pleasure to serve as the co-op attorney, and one of my duties is to oversee the election process. Each year we have 3 trustees who come up for election. This year we have 1 contested district. Anyone can run for trustee. All you have to do is get 15 members to sign a petition nominating you as a candidate for trustee, and that will present it to the board and need a very few qualifications, and that will entitle you to run for the board of trustees. This year we had Deborah Baxley and Donald Ray Wilk. Deborah Baxley was the only person to submit a petition for District 1. Donald Ray Wilkes was the only person to submit a petition for District 7. So by virtue of the bylaws, they are deemed elected by acclamation, since no one filed a petition in opposition to them. In District 4, Danny McNeil, who is currently a trustee, filed a petition, and Dale Pitts filed a petition. Danny, you want to stand? And Mr. Pitts?
He had to leave, Ed.
Okay, all right. And Mr. Pitts also filed a petition. A co-op, as y'all know, is a sort of a unique animal. We are a self-governing entity. We're not subject to state election laws. We're not subject to federal election laws. We have some state laws that regulate how we operate. And so the board of trustees appoints a balloting committee to oversee the balloting process and to ensure that process, ensure the integrity of that process. And this year we had a balloting committee as we have in years past. Of course, we have mail-in voting now, and those ballots were sent to my office. We have a voting machine that the county delivers to my office. I have staff people who oversee the process, and then we have members of the balloting committee that come in and oversee the process. And we couldn't operate this system without the members of those balloting committee. And I'd like to just read to you the names of the people on the balloting committee this year. Barry May Phillips, Carl Weston, Mary Faye Shields, April Stewart, Marvin Robbins, Billy Blaylock, Rebecca Cheshire, Marjorie Davis, J.E. Bradbury, Eva Loyce, Joyce Hathaway, James Strickland, Jim Davis, Sarah Pitts, Rob Calhoun, and Cindy Aman. When we first get the machine at my office, some of the members of the committee come by. They ensure that it's set up correctly. And then yesterday we ran the totals for the machine at my office. We again had balloting committee members there present to read the results and sign off on the results and seal those results. And then we had voting here today, of course. Members of the balloting committee again read the results and gave me the results, and so I have the results. And today, in this process, we received a total of 222 envelopes at my office. 2,011 of those were valid, 23 contained no ballots, 129 did not have membership cards. The card was not signed, or the card was signed by a non-member in 33 of them. In 15, the ballot was incorrectly marked. Either erasures or whiteouts will result in that. And we had 11 instances where the voting machine would not accept the ballot. And apparently, when the ballots are printed, there is a verification code that goes on there. And apparently, in that printing process, something occurred, so technical difficulty. But we had a total of 2,059 good votes, and in the District 4 race, we had Danny McNeil and Dale Pitts. Mr. McNeil received 1,238 votes, and Mr. Pitts received 615 votes. So Mr. McNeil is the winner of that district. We had a number of amendments, as you know, on a rather large ballot. The board decided to address a lot of issues for a number of reasons, and that's the reason that we had a large ballot. I would not expect we would have such a large ballot in the future, but on the amendments are noting where as follows. Amendment number 1, 1,768 yes, 185 no. Amendment number 2, 1,665 yes, 296 no. Amendment number 3, 1,753 yes, 201 no. Amendment number 4, 1,764 yes, 172 no. Amendment number 5, 1,816 yes, 139 no. Amendment number 6, 1,796 yes, 149 no. Amendment number 7, 1,697 yes, 244 no. Amendment number 8, 1,671 yes, 261 no. Amendment number 9, 1,648 yes, 286 no. Amendment number 10, 1,702 yes, 218 no. Amendment number 11, 1,760 no, 186. So all the amendments passed.